What if everything you've ever done online, every click, every purchase, every second of attention you've ever given, wasn't just tracked, but could actually be owned and traded by you? That's not a sci-fi script. That's the premise of Datavault AI, ticker DVLT. And the company isn't just pitching an idea, it's trying to turn data itself into a financial asset class. Before we unpack how Radical Narrative was built, remember this: the full trading framework and live technical zones are presented at the end of this episode. So stay until the final minute because those levels and timing signals could be decisive. And if you're watching this as a shorts clip, tap the full version link below to experience the entire story without interruption. The story of Datavault AI begins in February 2025 with one of the most audacious corporate maneuvers in recent memory. Wissa Technologies, once a small wireless audio hardware maker, filed an SEC 8K on February 13 to legally change its name to Datavault AI Inc. and switch its NASDAQ ticker from Wissa to DVLT overnight. Ordinarily, a pivot like that unfolds over quarters. First a pilot project, then a spin-off, and only later a rebrand once the new revenue stream stabilizes. Datavault broke that entire sequence. It declared a new identity before showing proof of concept. In markets, such inversion is rare and risky. It typically signals either hidden technological readiness or a desperate bid for narrative relevance. That single filing was a detonator, forcing investors to reevaluate what this company wanted to become. At its core, Datavault's thesis was both simple and technically ambitious. It argued that data, long treated as an exhaust product of business activity, could instead be valued, insured, and monetized. To execute that, it built three proprietary platforms: DataValue, DataScore, and Datavault Bank. DataValue functioned as a pricing engine, using algorithmic valuation models to estimate the fair market worth of datasets. DataScore applied a compliance and quality index, essentially a credit score for data integrity. And Datavault Bank acted as a digital custodian capable of storing, tokenizing, and transferring those datasets like financial instruments. This trifecta aimed to close the missing link between data creation and data liquidity. By mid-2025, Datavault's ambitions leapt further when it secured a platinum-tier partnership with IBM and embedded its system within IBM watsonx.ai. In typical corporate timelines, such an integration follows years of co-development and technical validation. For a microcap to reach that status so early was an anomaly, one that implied IBM had vetted Datavault's intellectual property more deeply than the market realized. That partnership wasn't just a marketing headline, it was a legitimacy bridge, anchoring a speculative story in enterprise infrastructure.